Okay, so I'm going to do carb cleaner. Just spray some in here. It is clean. Probably doesn't need it. Everything moves pretty clean, moves under its own spring pressure. However, I'm going to do O'Reilly's brake cleaner. Just get some on the bottom. And while we're at it, we may as well do WD-40 as a lubricant. So when we start cranking, we've got some lubricant too. It's a cocktail. I guess I'm running out. Okay, that's it. So here goes the top again. I'll do it with this hand. And we'll just gently move it until it drops. Oh, gotta get the screws out of the way. Okay. Get all these screws out of the way. Okay, let's do it again. There we go. And it's spring loaded. Put the screws in. So here is a 5-sided, see if it'll focus on my hand, 5-sided Torx, safety Torx. So when I turn this engine over by hand, it will mix this cocktail in this pump, let it set a couple hours, maybe a day, before I go to town and start cranking. So I'm going to keep working on this.